Cash, drugs, liquor and freebies worth over 37 crores seized in Meghalaya, informs Chief Electoral Officer. Five miscreants dodged police vehicle after entering Meghalaya police station, informs SP Rituraj Ravi. Congress and RDA holds election campaign in Rambrai. And Regional Democratic Alliance holds public campaign at Yomolong Ribhoi district. The filing of nominations for the second phase of the Lok Sabha elections ended today. In the second phase, the elections will be held in 88 Lok Sabha seats in 12 states and union territories, along with the remaining part of the Outer Manipur Lok Sabha constituency. The voting for this phase will be held on the 26th of April. The scrutiny of nominations across all states and union territories will be done on the 5th of April, except in Jammu and Kashmir. In Jammu and Kashmir, the scrutiny will be held on the 6th of April. As Meghalaya is preparing for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections, the election department has made a seizure of cash, drugs, liquor and freebies worth more than Rs 37 crores. The election department also held a meeting with the Election Commission of India to review the preparedness of the upcoming Lok Sabha elections, and no issues were found as far as Meghalaya is concerned. Informing that a meeting was also held with Assam at the level of the Chief Secretary, Tiwari informed that there are 187 polling stations which are located in interstate border with Assam, whereas 140 polling stations are located along the international border with Bangladesh. In addition, there are 164 polling stations where Meghalaya personnel and voters would have to move through Assam, and these issues were discussed at length with Assam.
Total seizure worth 33.45 crore. And after the announcement of MCC, we have 4.06 crore rupees seizure. So total seizure till date is 37.51 crore. It includes the liquor, drug, cash, freebies, etc., etc. So we are having around 187 polling stations bordering with the Assam, 140 polling stations bordering with the international border of Bangladesh, and we have around 164 polling stations where polling parties have to move through Assam.
The Superintendent of Police of East Khasi Hills, Rituraj Ravi, informed that 5 unknown miscreants entered the parking area of Molai police station and hurled a petrol bomb at a police gypsy vehicle in the early hours yesterday. SP Ravi also stated that the incident occurred around 2:40 a.m. The police vehicle that was torched bears registration number ML020194, and the SP further added that the vehicle suffered major damage. He also mentioned that a case has been registered at Molai Police Station under relevant sections of the Explosive Substances Act 1908 and the Prevention of Damage to Public Property Act 1984.
2:40-2:45. One incident of arson took place at Molai PS premises, wherein 5 unknown persons, miscreants, wearing masks and helmet, they hurled one petrol bomb at one of our police gypsy which was parked there, in which the vehicle got damaged. In that regard, we have registered one case under various sections of IPC and also under Explosive Substance Act, and we are investigating.
The Regional Democratic Alliance held a public meeting campaigning for their candidate Robert Kharjarin for the Lok Sabha Shillong parliamentary seat today at Yom Molong Riboy district. UDP President Metba Lingdor, Maukarawat MLA Renikton Lingdor, Nongpo MLA Miral Born Aim and other party leaders were present at the campaign. Speaking at the campaign, UDP candidate Robert Kharjarin spoke on various issues like ILP, border issues, inclusion of the Khasi language in the 8th schedule, uniform civil code and unemployment. To mark the Khasi International Awakening Day, the Khasi Students Union Maulai Circle today inaugurated the Matchaprang Khasi League Basketball for both men and women at Maulai Nongpadeng Basketball Ground. KSU General Secretary Donald V. Thaba inaugurated the Matchaprang Khasi League Basketball. The teams participating in the league included 12 teams in women category and 30 teams in men category. In the opening games for women, Maukasiang Marvels was playing against the Dubak Chan and Maukasiang won the match, whereas in the men category, Seng Samla Maulai Nongpadeng won the match against KSU Mauprem Circle.
Long ya kanika Khasi League Basketball Tournament insya Allah para Khasi bat kata ka objektif lain ka vision ka jong ka KSU kalong ba ini kilong kita kirensan lani ki madan ki ban ai experience mi kena juni ai kinya kun sa para mangi ai kinyo alat baginya kun sa para maki ban longkum sibanta bagi ban kre lagi ban kio pat kirensan ban kun pat bagi gije ban riu lagade ka state level dan ka national level but international level.
The Indian National Congress and the Regional Democratic Alliance, a coalition between the United Democratic Party and the Hill State People's Democratic Party, held a public campaign at Rambrai Market yesterday, where hundreds of people were gathered to attend the campaign. RDA leaders Metba Lingdor, RDA candidate Robert June Kharjarin, HSPDP Chief KP Pangyang, emphasize about the party ideology and aspirations to fulfill the long-pending demand of the state like ILP, inclusion of Khasi language in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution, resolving long-pending boundary dispute between Assam, among other issues. While the Congress party was represented by Rambrai Congress leaders Tomding, Thongni and others who also sought support from the people of Rambrai to their MP candidate Vincent H. Pala.
Bakawai na giting perang giting anot jong ka adie bak ikwa ban keren ramba akhlak jong piya kami kapor kamta kalong bangiyeng hawak kanong rin banyada ya kahok ban mani belay like nut hakalin jong kadi dia kahok ban mani belay like nut kadai kahok jong pi simet bak kadai kahok jong way po way unong song snong hakadi dia.
In a mission to inspire, empower and support young change makers, two impact philanthropists, founder of Impulse NGO Network Hasina Gharbi and climate activist Carlos Navarro Martinez have come together under a mission called Journey with Purpose. Hasina and Martinez, along with philanthropists from different countries, will carry out a 9-day journey from Shillong, Meghalaya to Pokhara, Nepal, where Martinez is seeking climate justice and Hasina's focus area is unsafe migration. The duo also urged those interested to join them on this journey. Royal Enfield is also on board this journey, and 2 riders will be part of the ride that was flagged off yesterday from Shillong.
We believe that we will work towards looking at innovations which are done by young millennials and how they can challenge our whole ecosystem, and how these innovation can actually lead to furtherization of climate impact, as well as how they can reduce, migration issue is leading to human trafficking based on the experiences, because these are so correlated to each other. I'm so glad that Royal Enfield is on board in this journey, and I think we have these 2 amazing riders to come and join all of you, and how Catholic philanthropists can actually change the whole ecosystem of what we believe can really take place.
The Maharashtra Institute of Technology, University of Meghalaya, Shillong was established in Meghalaya in 2011, and since then the journey of this university has been on. Addressing the media, Dr. D. Bhattacharya, Pro Vice Chancellor, said that MIT offers a higher and professional education for the student of the state. He urges the student to go for professional education to establish themselves. However, fostering creativity techniques can enhance workers' soft skills, and keeping this in mind, MIT is organizing MIT Connect with the theme Entrepreneurship and Sustainability on 6 April 2024 at St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, Shillong.
We want to offer job to the local student. We want to change the mindset of the local student. Unless and until we change the mindset of the student, it's difficult that we explore the world. And unless and until we explore the world, our horizon will not go beyond our thinking.
The Sati Raja Memorial Secondary School in Patarim, Umsning commenced its annual sports meet for the year 2024 yesterday, adding an extra layer of excitement to the academic routine of its students. Rocky Killa, chairman of Umsning Town Darbar, inaugurated the sports meet in the presence of others, dignitaries, parents, teachers and students. Post-inauguration, the students were enthusiastically engaged in various sporting events. The opening ceremony was made vibrant with captivating performances by the school children. The annual sports meet is slated to culminate tomorrow. The Reboy District Cycling Association, led by General Secretary Meepli Walang, celebrated the outstanding performance of its athletes at the 20th National MTB Championship in Panchkula, Haryana, which was held from March 28 to 31st, 2024. The felicitation ceremony held at Petrol Pump, Downgate, Nongpo, honored the remarkable achievements of the cyclists. Kevin Lingdo, who secured 2 silver medals in the youth category for XCO time trial and mass start, Aaron O'Neill Karpuri, who clinched a gold medal, while Titus C.H. Marak claimed a silver medal in the downhill elite category. Lambormi Power secured the 5th rank in the XCO junior men category, while Fabian Kilat is secured the 7th rank in the XCO youth category. And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature was 25.9 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 14.5 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 60% and the relative humidity in the evening was 35%. And the forecast states moderate rain and thunder shower is likely to occur at few places. Before we wind up, let us take a look at the headlines once again. Filing of nominations for second phase of Lok Sabha elections ends today. Cash, drugs, liquor and freebies worth over 37 crore seized in Meghalaya, informs Chief Electoral Officer. Five miscreants torched police vehicle after entering Maulai police station, informs SP Rituraj Ravi. Congress and RDA holds election campaign in Rambrai. And Regional Democratic Alliance holds public campaign at Yo Molong Reboy district. Well, viewers, we've come to the end of today's edition of the news. Till we meet again tomorrow evening, same time, same channel. Thank you. Have a great evening ahead.